Namaste, my dear friends. I am Dr. Deepak Hadagali from Sri Krishna Yoga Ashrama, Guruji's elder son. I am currently practicing in Sri Krishna Yoga Ashrama since past from 5 years. So here we are getting so many types of patients from other parts of Karnataka or local peoples of Karnataka and the peoples from also different countries like Thailand, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Russia, Taiwan. So mainly patients will come here for taking the treatment of Panchakarma, naturopathy and other alternative therapies like acupressure, acupuncture and other healing techniques like Reiki, cosmic healing, pendulum healing and Shambhavi healing, all other techniques. So this is the one place where you get with a yoga knowledge, real yoga knowledge and also the Ayurvedic knowledge and also the other alternative therapies where you not get in a single place. So this is the place where you get the real knowledge about yoga. So along with that we are Sanjeevani Chikitsalaya, so in which we are getting the patient, more number of patients with so many disorders like skin disorders like psoriasis, eczema, leukoderma, vitiligo and diabetes, sugar problem, high BP and other nervous problem like Parkinson disease, paralysis, so many. And also nowadays we are having a threatened disease like cancer and HIV, AIDS, and especially we have research making on the cancer, different organ cancer, and we are getting very wonderful result with our yogic knowledge and Ayurvedic knowledge. Here we are not giving only the medicines. Along with the medicines we are using so many different techniques like I have told before, by using the other holistic approach, what you call it as holistic approach means here we are using so many techniques, not only using medicines, along with that Ayurvedic Panchakarma treatments, naturopathy treatments, other techniques like acupressure, acupuncture and Reiki, cosmic healing, so many according to the need of patients and the necessary, the need necessary of the patients we are using them. So with that, with this we are getting the 100% result. So along with this also we are giving training to the peoples also, and we are training the yoga teacher training here and also the massage training here and the basic principle of Ayurveda we are telling here, and so many courses we are offering like for meditation course, yoga course and other alternative therapies like Tantra yoga we are teaching here, and so many techniques like Feng Shui techniques and Reiki, cosmic healing techniques we are teaching here. So so many people came from abroad and local people from India get the knowledge here, and they were practicing and also giving service to the community. So friends, if possible, you come to India or come to Karnataka, please visit our Sri Krishna Yoga Ashrama, the only ashrama where you get the real yogic knowledge. It is a Arsha Vidya, what you call as Arsha Vidya, and along with the Arsha Vidya, spiritual things we are learning. You should learn here. Other spiritual things like Tantra Yoga and Manduka Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga. All these yoga you are learning here and getting good knowledge. So please be visited to our ashram.